What do you think sets us apart from others, Ben?
Vulcan over the last 3 years have seen its geographical footprint increase enormously.
Yes.
You've got the Nordics, Central Europe, Southern Europe, Middle East is also a large part of our business. And for us, it's all about speed, deliverance, and repeatability.
Yes.
And I think we, with IDS as the group, we have the engineering capability in-house to go to these places. We're in 13 countries currently today between IDS and Vulcan. And I think customers really understand that having the same product everywhere means that they can really standardize on their efficiencies. Manufacturers in different countries, they show different results, and having that continued repeatability of our product, the way it delivers, the way it manages the airflow within those pods is very important. We've had to design in apertures within the actual product so it can actually vent some of the pressures, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And keeping it standardized means that a customer's pod in the UK is exactly the same as a customer's pod in Europe or in the Middle East. The product's evolved so many times just to get it to where we are today.
I think with Vulcan, our R&D is constant, in the warehouse.
Absolutely.
We're always trialing new things.
We are on a daily basis. There's new ideas. We have an abundance of stock in our warehouse,
and that's been important to us. Having raw material here, but in terms of the whole supply chain, the origin of the aluminium is from the UK.
Yeah,
we've worked hard on that.
We have worked hard on that. The carbon footprint of the product is drastically reduced.
It's as low as possible.
Absolutely, and that's a big key point for us. Not just on a selling point, but just our conscience that we're trying to provide a product that has the lowest possible carbon footprint.
The sustainability life cycle of the product is key to us. Finding a UK-based supplier of aluminium was key for this region.
Absolutely.
We have our European manufacturers of aluminium that supply into our Netherlands business that then feeds into Europe. But again, we don't want to move lots of product around EMEA if we can source it locally.
Yes.
And that's part of the key for us.